The Miami Valley Regional Chairman's Award is the most prestigious award at FIRST. It honors the team that best represents a model for other teams to emulate and best embodies the purpose and goals of FIRST. The Chairman's Award is presented to the team judged to have the most significant, measurable impact of its partnerships among its participants and community over a sustained period, not just a single build season. The winner is able to demonstrate progress towards FIRST's mission of transforming our culture. The recipient team will be invited to a FIRST championship where it will compete for the Chairman's Award against winners from all other qualifying events. This team's passion for spreading FIRST's mission takes this team from their hometown to their state and national capitals and across the ocean. They stream their vision to thousands, and their expansive outreach rocks and rolls. Please give a thunderous applause to your Chairman's Award winner, Team 1511.
Ladies and gentlemen, your award winner was founded in 2005 and is happily celebrating their 16th season competing with FIRST. They're from Penfield, New York, and proudly represent Penfield High School. Please welcome your 2020 Chairman Award winner, Team 1511, Rolling Thunder. Ladies and gentlemen, your Chairman Award winners, Rolling Thunder.